Hey guys, today we're talking about one of the most boring topics out there, company financials. But hold on, this isn't your typical snooze fest. We're gonna make this as entertaining as we can, because let's face it, nobody wants to fall asleep while trying to learn how to be a better investor. Step 1. Know the lingo. Before you start diving into a company's financial statements, you need to know the language. Think of it like learning a new language. It may seem daunting at first, but once you learn the basics, it's not so bad. Common terms include revenue, earnings, assets, liabilities, cash flow, and more. Step 2. Read the income statement. The income statement is a company's report card, showing how much money it's made and how much it's spent over a specific period of time. It's a good starting point for understanding a company's financial health. This is like when you get your report card from school. You want to see if you're making good grades, right? Step 3. Check out the balance sheet. The balance sheet is a snapshot of a company's financial health at a specific moment in time. It shows you what the company owns assets, what it owes liabilities, and how much money it has left over shareholder equity. This is like when you get your bank statement. You want to see if you're spending more than you're making, right? Step 4. Analyze the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement shows how much cash a company is bringing in and how much it's paying out over a specific period of time. It helps you understand how well a company is managing its money and if it has enough cash to cover its expenses. This is like when you see if you have enough money in your account to buy those new shoes you've been eyeing. Step 5. Keep an eye on key metrics. When studying a company's financials, it's important to keep an eye on key metrics such as earnings per share (EPS), return on equity (ROE), and debt to equity ratio. These metrics give you a quick snapshot of the company's financial health and help you make informed investment decisions. Studying a company's financials can seem overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, it's not so bad. And who knows, maybe you'll even start to enjoy it. Just think, if you can understand a company's financials, you can make better investment decisions and reach your financial goals faster. So let's get to it.